Welcome back for my final morning report analysis video on Friday to the 29th of March. With me, which pair market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at this huge downside break on gold. Really had been developing nicely in the past couple of weeks. A couple of bear candles sort of set up the pressure yesterday, but really was a decisive move lower, below 1310, below 1300. That is the old long-term pivot. And that turns the outlook negative near to medium term, definitely. But that 1276 to 1280 support is now utterly crucial. If you break below that, that completes a big head and shoulders top pattern. Really does question the outlook. And you've got to say, looking at the MACD lines, for example, you've been posting lower highs all through this recovery in the last, since January, and now closing, now that decisive move lower in the last few days has really deteriorated the outlook. So there are big question marks surrounding the prospects of this recovery now, and whether gold can continue to sort of maintain the upside move with these longer term moving averages all rising and the uptrend that we've had since August. So this is a really important time. 60, the failure at the RSI at 60, again, that raises a lot of question marks as to whether that is a medium term now lower high, and this is now starting to move into a phase of lower highs and lower lows. Obviously that 1280 support becomes important, as does 1276. So they are the two levels that 1276, certainly on a confirmation basis, would be absolutely crucial if that was to be seen as a breakdown. So this is a very important time for gold. Holding up today's low at 1286, rebound a little bit from there, but again, how far is that going to go? You've got sort of the 1292 level starting to come in. 1300 is going to be now proving a big area of overhead supply. Interesting that 1292 was that old low again coming in, and so between effectively 1292 and 1300, that's a big area of overhead supply now effectively. So really is some questions that the bulls have to answer very quickly, I think. Otherwise we're going to see some downside pressure growing and gold possibly breaking down that bull argument. So really key time. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again next week.